Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So this was sent over by Cards Against Humanity, and it is absolutely a blast of a game, and it is out of line. So this is a game that you can either play by itself, or you can even use your white cards from your Cards Against Humanity set and add it to the ones that come with this set and just kind of give you more options, if you will. So what all do you get once you open this up? So first off, you are going to get 150 brand new white cards that you can add to your collection. These are absolutely hilarious. So like Costco roastery chicken, gorgeous calves of a mailman. Naturally, there's a lot of cards in here that I cannot read out loud. You got a slip and slide that leads right into a creamer, men under 5'6". But then you are gonna get 100 of these Spectrum cards. And so how this game is gonna work is you're gonna wanna play it with about 3 or more people. Essentially, everybody's going to be dealt a Spectrum card, and as you can see here, we have on one side name of a cocktail I would drink and name of a cocktail I wouldn't drink. And then everybody's going to have about 15 to 20 white cards, and you're going to go ahead and put down what white card that you think is funny on everybody's out of line card. Once everybody has 5 cards on their Spectrum card faced down, then that player is essentially going to pick them all up and read their cards. Then they're going to go ahead and rank them in what they think is basically what name of a cocktail I would drink being the most, and then the one that I would not drink being the least. Once you've done that, you kind of memorize that order, and now it's time for essentially the group to guess each person's order and what they think that person would rank them. Very fun game, great party game. It's a great way to bring new life into, like I said, those extra white cards. This is a 17 up game just because of the cards are always hilarious and raunchy, and there's really no like individual winner. You're going to basically be playing as a group. So if you guessed that person's cards order correctly, then you get the token for the player's winner, and you put that out of line card under there. If you guessed incorrectly on how that person would rank, then it goes into the chaos. And so you're playing against the game. Does the game win and provide chaos, or as the players, do you know your friends and family the best and the players win? And that's essentially the breakdown of it. It's a lot of fun because not only are you getting to play these raunchy kind of fun and hilarious cards, but then you're kind of getting an insight on what that person's mind and thinking how they would want to rank them for the various out of line. So like first hour of the party versus the last hour of the party. Major replay value with this game, and it's gonna take probably, I would say, about 30 minutes on the low end, depending on your group size, and obviously you can play it for many hours. It just depends. You just keep grabbing more of these out of line cards because you have 100 of them. You got a ton of options. So if you are looking for a new Cards Against Humanity game that is great in a group setting, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I typically do respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.